Alrighty guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to set up your AI providers with CloseBot so you can start testing your bot, and then also it'll be ready for when you want to run it live. Because from what I noticed, CloseBot actually needs to have the AI provider set up here, even if you're just testing in the portal. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is you're going to click on Add New Provider here. All right, and then you're going to click on OpenAI. Right now, I'm going to drop the link to the OpenAI settings here. You're going to have to create an account and you will actually have to put in some money. I put in 20 bucks just to test, but now that I'm using it, I've had the wallet autofill, right? So once we're here, you're going to go to API keys on the left, and then you're going to create a new key right here, create a new secret key, and then you can name it what you want. Name it test bot. And then you can select the project. If you have a project, I do for my business, Zen Cryo here. But for right now, we'll just leave it open. I guess we have to choose one. Just choose that one. And then we hit on create secret key. Awesome. So you take this key from here, and then you go back to CloseBot. You give it a name. Let's say test, whatever. And then here, you actually paste the key. And then you add the provider. There you go. Now I'm going to show you how to do it in Anthropic. I'll also be dropping the link to the Anthropic Console. So you will have to do the same thing, make an account, and you have to put some funds in there so you can actually start using the API key. All right. So go to Anthropic Console here. Go to your dashboard, hit on Get API Key here, Create Key. Here, you can just put default, name it test1, test2, add it. And there it is. You should get your API key, hit copy, and then we're going to go back over here. We're going to click add new provider. Roll down here. We're going to click Anthropic, name it Claude or test, whatever it is, that whatever type of naming conventions you use to help you understand what exactly you're tied into or what you're using it for. And then you can paste it here. And there it is, guys. We've went ahead and added our two providers. Although we've added them here, we actually have to add them to the persona, but I'll show you that later in the later videos. I just want to go through each step so you get an understanding of what needs to be done before we actually move on to the next step. So stay tuned for the next video where I go a little bit more in depth on how to create your knowledge library and what are the best practices.